1 2 1 2. All right, we about to get started. Couple of minutes, 1 2 3 minutes, and I'm live. All right, let's get this started. I think I got all the technicalities in order now, and let's do this. All right, cool. So what's happening in the market? First and foremost, we're going to take a quick look at the fundamentals. We have USD, not news. We have Fed Chair Powell testifies, and that is 4 p.m. Central European time, due to testify about semi-annual monetary policy report before the Senate Banking Committee in Washington, D.C. And this is basically anything can come out of this. It depends on what he's saying. So speculate on this is just nonsense. What you do is you get your technicals on the chart in order, and you mark out your levels. You see and look where the bias is, and from that you make an assumption. And most often, let's say market is showing an upwards going trend, most often you will see that market will go in that direction, but maybe there will be some noise on the way there, but then it will hit it. Let's say we want to see market take out this high and continue upwards. We might see something like this and then continuation. So you always got to let the market play itself out after news events like that, and then do your move. But now we're trading pre-news. We got about 2 hours until those news, or whatever you want to call it, the Jerome Powell testifying. So what I'm in right now is a gold buy trade. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's a slightly risky move. I took it early, so therefore I'm good. I have already my stop loss at break even. I took it down here at 2,358. But if you want to do this one properly, you would want to see market break or take out this high. All right. So I do want to see market take out this high before I add any position or anything like that. But like I said, I have my stop loss at break even, so I'm cool here. But you don't enter now. You wait for market to take this out, get above all these EMAs, and above the whole zone that you see here that is marked out in, I don't want to, green bluish. That is a fattest order block that you will see on the 4 hourly, I think it is. Yeah. So this is this whole order block over here. Boop. And right underneath it, we got a fair value gap, and we got these lows: 1 low, 2 low, 3 lows. So there's a lot of liquidity stuck here. So and therefore this is a risky move, because there's liquidity stuck here, here, here. All these stop losses for from the buy orders that push the market up, they are here. Plus, it's a fat ass fair value gap on the daily time frame. So here's a lot of liquidity, and therefore there's a big chance that market wants to get down to that section before making a big ass push up. But we'll see. Maybe the news will push it down here, and then it will push up. So we'll see. But for now, until I get stopped out at break even, I'm still bullish at gold. If we take out this high here at 2,362, then I am more bullish. But I'm entering on the pullback, not directly on the break. The pullback will come. You got to be patient with it. So if it breaks, it will hit this order block here. And from there, it will bounce down. And then on that pullback, you want to enter. But you see already what's happening. On the 5 minute, we are rejecting the 20-day EMA. We're having a hard time getting past it. That is a very weak sign. On the hourly, on the 50 minute, same thing. So we got to see. We got a reversal candle here. Oh, this is looking more and more bearish. So we'll let it play a little bit before we do any more moves. But in the meantime, we can check on some other stuff. The Mexican peso. Let's start with EJ. I know we in the Prosperous channel, we've been talking about, in the Telegram channel, we've been talking about EJ, GJ, UJ a lot today. So let's look at them. All right. EJ, I marked out a trade. I didn't even mark it out. I entered this trade. So I'm in this one. It did a proper pullback. That was a little bit sad to see. But the thing is like this. What do we have? We have, boom, what is this? 9 o'clock. Here, London starts. Boom, pushes the market up. Hits this order block. And then just closes above and pulls back. When does it start to pull back? It pulls back 1:15 Central European time. All right, that is the regular time. From 1 o'clock, normally even like 12:30, market starts to pull back. Then what happened? 2 o'clock Central European time. This is where market shifts and finds its momentum upwards again. All right. So this is what I'm waiting for right now to happen. I might even move the stop loss a little bit below this EMA. But that's what I'm looking for. I want to see market. So basically now what it's doing is just accumulating liquidity, and then it should proceed upwards. So that's for EJ. And I would say that GJ is basically in the same situation. Yeah. GJ the same. Only thing is that it might want to go a little bit lower because we got liquidity down here. So we just got to wait for that shift to happen. And that shift, I want to see it. So in this case here, for example, honestly, the shift already happened. It happened here. Let's see. Happened pre-New York. So it might create another leg down. what might happen now is it might, because this high here got taken out with this wick, all right? But this was pre-New York, so it might want to create another leg down, BOS, break of structure, and then from there, take out this high, market structure shift. You guys with me? Boop, and then we continue. So right now we're just looking for how the market is moving. We just want to see what will it do, how will it move. For me to confidently say now that we can enter buys is here when we take out this high. But you can, of course, do a risky move, enter here already, and you put your stop losses underneath at around 206.100, I would say. You can even put it at 120. All right, so just below these lows at the 5-minute time frame. If it stops you out, then you might have to look at another entry lower down, or just wait, or just have a proper stop loss to start with, which is what I recommend. Just always make sure that your stop loss is according to your risk management. All right, don't take that lightly. Risk management, key for successful trading. Yeah, we need to see market break above this 200-day EMA. The 15-day EMA. On the 50-minute, we have a good support there. We have 4-hourly. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, this thing should break up. See? Wants to do a break of structure. Already done a break of structure now. And let's see if we can get a proper market structure shift inside New York. When that is happening, I'm looking at UJ in the same time. Yeah, same thing here. We want to see this high taken out, and preferably the EMAs also. All right. So you see it's confluent here on the 5-minute. The 20-day EMA is confluent with the, let me do like this so you guys see it properly, because I know that it's not as clear on YouTube or wherever you're watching from. So this EMA here, this market structure shift here at this top is confluent with the 20-day EMA. So we need to take that out in 1 minute. When we do that, I feel definitely more confident to enter. I'm actually already in, like I said, but to add positions, I'm in with a very small position. That could put your stop loss here. You can even sniper it and put it here. Because market, if it takes this out, it should not come back down and take out this low. It has no business taking out these lows here. Understand? So you can actually confidently put your stop loss here. The only thing I don't like is this little low here, this liquidity. So just to be safe, you can put it just underneath those lows. And that will put you at 174.138. GJ, yeah, same thing, looking good. What is gold doing? Oh, it's retracing very heavily. See how this will work out. Doesn't look very bullish right now. Let's see. What is bullish about this is that we are inside this order block. But here's the thing. Looking at this order block, we have done what? We have gained momentum from here. Whoop. We shot up like a shooting star, hit that order block, went right back down again, made our way up, and right back in again. So that we are accumulating a lot from this order block, but the question is why? I think we might see a big move now when Jerome Powell speaks. So right now, I got stopped out at break even just now. That's cool, but the question is, as I said, is the bias wrong here? Are we going down? But I think gold right now, it's just we got to be a little bit careful with it because it's a no man's land right now here. It can go either way, up or down. But GJ looks much more attractive, even though they haven't taken out their highs yet. I called out a massive sell on the Mexican peso yesterday. Mexican peso versus the US dollar. And I definitely see this sell happening. I already took some bags on it. You can see the sell from yesterday. Market came back to almost to break even. And right now, what it's doing is accumulating, and I'm looking for it to, the bias is still there. I'm looking for it to sell and drop further. What's pushing it down, why I'm so bearish at the Mexican peso, is because of fundamentals. It's a Mexican president election. And whenever there's Mexican president election, just before that, the Mexican peso pumps. And this is the Mexican peso index. It starts pumping. And when the Mexican peso pumps, the US MXN drops because this is the US dollar paired against the Mexican peso. So it makes that one drop, of course, because it's in reverse. So I'm actually looking to sell this one, but I don't know if I'm going to do that before the news. I'm not quite sure yet. I want to get some real confirmations. This is super good that we are rejecting the 20-day EMA on the full hourly and on the daily as well. But here you see, on the hourly, we are above it. So I'm looking for it to break it now. $50 is below. As you can see, it started creating lower lows. Yeah, but nothing really yet. I need to see this low here taken out. when that low is taken out, that's a confirmation for me to sell. You know, to make it even better, put this one. When market takes out lows like this or highs, doesn't matter, but takes out swing points, you always gotta look for, was this just a liquidity sweep and the market turns in the opposite direction, or will it actually draw back and create a new break of structure? So you're entering. How you see that is how the candles move. If market dips below here with momentum and then pulls back with momentum quick, most often leaves a wick on the 5-minute candle, sometimes even the 1-minute candle or the 50-minute candle, then it's very likely that that was a liquidity sweep, taking out all the liquidity here. And this is not just for the Mexican peso, but especially on gold. On gold, that definitely counts. All right, GJ is making progress. It's battling the 20-day EMA here. 20 seconds left on the 50-minute candle. I want to see it close above. That would be lovely. Let's see if we can push a little bit now before closing. Well, that was an interesting reaction. Oh, and EG doesn't manage to break the EMA. It's just wicking above it. Even wicks downstairs also, but still though, doesn't look super strong. UG on the other hand has made a perfect bullish structure. Oh my god, this one is sexy. This one is good. The only thing I don't like is this here. We got a fat ass order block here. All this here is an order block. We basically tapped into it. Otherwise, we have a perfect entry right now. But you know, going in on EJ, GJ, UJ in the same time, that is throwing all your eggs in the same basket, because there won't be very big differences between them. So I'm personally already in GJ and EJ. I'm sticking to that, even though they don't look very good right now. But we get stopped out, then we know. Gold. I don't think I will be touching gold anymore today. If so, I'm selling it, but I don't want to sell it down to this level. It's a little bit too risky. So right now, I don't want to touch it, because this could have been a liquidity sweep, but then you see this candle coming as well also. So what it looks like for me right now is what I said before. Market will make its way down here, and then from there pump up, take the liquidity down here below these lows, and then make its way up. Yeah, but we'll see. Yeah, Elder. Just to answer your question, I'm more bearish right now than bullish on gold for the moment. I'm bullish on the bigger picture, but right now bearish. What about yourself? Stuck. I hope some of you guys took the buy that I called out yesterday in the Telegram channel. Took some nice profits on that one. Took a little sell this morning, but I'm out of it already. And now we'll see if we can start making our way up. These weeks are crazy. And that's a fucked up market. Talking about sideways. Yeah, guys, I'm quiet right now because I'm just waiting for something to bust a move. Nothing is really doing anything right now, so I feel very bullish on AUD CADO. This one I feel very bullish on. If we can take out this high, I will be entering on the pullback, of course. We'll be entering a buy on AUD CAD. Let's look at Euro USD and GBP USD in the meantime. Just a quick look here. Snap, we have some action, huh? All right, we broke it finally. Where the heck did GJ go? There it is. All right, GJ is just below, breaking the, taking out the top. EJ did it. Here we go. Boom. Finally. This means we are good. Hope some of you took this trade. If not, wait for the pullback. Don't rush in. You can start scaling in a little bit, but don't go in aggressively. It's getting momentum here upwards, so it's good. That one is looking good. And GG just got it. Yeah, it's just got to break. Take out the tops. Yeah, that's me modifying my trades. I think gold will break down. Risky though, order block. You don't want to do it that close to an order block. We'd rather wait for market to come down here and then we take the buy. So we're sticking to EJ, we're sticking to GJ from this on this session, and we'll probably find a entry on peso. Do a quick look at Euro USD. Oh, nice bearish market structure. GU, so GBP USD has, in my eyes, been sideways the whole year, since the year started. The year started, when was it? Here, the blue line you see here. And look, it's been in this channel, up, down, try to break below, but up, down, try to break up, down. And then it finally broke out, and what happened? It went right in again, accumulated, still here, trying to break out now. So this has been half a year of sideways action, even more than that, 8 months of sideways action. So if we zoom out more on the weekly, you can see that we have this nice downtrend, all right? And market is at the top of it. So at the resistance of it. Question is, are we rejecting it or finally breaking through? To be honest, I don't know. It's been a nice uptrend here since July 2nd. Whoever took that trade made a nice profit. Can delete these stuff. But right now, for me, it looks like this. It looks like the market wants to, let's go on the 4 hourly. This is what I see right now. This is so choppy all the way. And what market has done in my eyes right now, it has taken out. So look, when market created this top, and then what it did, top, 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 top. What is all this? It's liquidity. All right. So here, took out liquidity, started to bust up, fooled everybody, stopped, liquidated everybody on the way down again. Built up more liquidity. Now we got a lot of liquidity laying down here. So now what market has done is has cleaned up everything that was here. All right. And this is a typical accumulation structure from the market makers. They do this long term, remember. So they can keep doing these things for months just to get the position that they want to get. So now when all this liquidity is cleared, what should happen? Market should bust down again. And probably take out these lows. So that is very, very well confluent with that we are hitting the resistance of this trend line. I'm not very much for trend lines, but still low. I would have loved it even more if market took out this top actually, wicked above it, and then went down. But we'll see. And this is the reason why I haven't been said very much about GU or EU, because I don't vibe them very, very much right now. EU is the same thing. Here you see this channel that we are in. And all of this here, since the start of the year, sideways action. So when it comes to EU, we are bearish on a bigger time frame. Low taken out. Low taken out. Pullback. Hitting the resistance of this trend. And from there, we should proceed down. So it looks much more bearish than bullish for me. But also very choppy market. And right now, I don't really know. Looks nice on the 4 hourly. We're breaking the EMA. And we're creating BOSs all the way down. So break of structures. We're already below on the hourly, 50 minutes, below the the 20 the EMA. So yeah, this thing could definitely, or should actually proceed downwards. Grab liquidity here. This here looks, this here is super freaky. Look at this. Closed here, Friday night. Closed here, opened here. That's like a, I wonder if it's a broker, if it was in general for all the brokers. That's 35 pips, a 35 pip gap. It's filled already, but yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, so, but it's nice downtrend, but I'm not entering. Why? Because liquidity, here, liquidity, so this can push it up. So no, I'm good with sticking to EJ and gold right now, and the Mexican peso, of course. Speaking of these two, nothing is really happening. Price is squeezed, as you can see, between the EMA and this top, the market structure. It's not getting in a real move anywhere. EJ has made a nice bullish market structure shift, coming and retesting the previous high here now. Exactly at entry that I marked out. So this is a perfect entry for anybody that is not in. You just have to keep in mind that we got the Jerome Powell testification, 4 p.m. So it's in 1 hour and 10 minutes. But that's that. So guys, with that said, very much happening. I'm just babbling here right now because there's not much movements going on in the markets. This one would have been super nice. Are we in EJ and GJ? So that's that. I'm sticking with this. If I see any updates, I will let you guys know in the Telegram channel, all right? So if you ain't in it, make sure you join the Telegram channel. Link is in the description box below. And with that said, have a beautiful day. Peace, and I'm out.